Good day, people. I have another review for Barefut Natural 100% Balms. What is a balm? It's essential oil packaged inside a balm. A balm it looks like a lip gloss or something, but it's not. It's a rolling balm that you can use as a topical. Which scents they have. We have frankincense and we have patchouli. Patchouli and frankincense. Frankincense is known as the miracle oil. What I can tell you about both of these oils, essential 100% oils, and these are on-the-go balms, so you can carry them with you, without the mess. And these are not to diffuse. These are just to use as a topical for the aroma and also for healing properties. Both of these balms help with scarring, with skin irritation, with dandruff, with eczema and acne. Eczema and acne. Okay, so let's talk about frankincense. So the frankincense right here, frankincense is known as the miracle oil. It helps to balance. It's an antidepressant. It helps clear the mood. It's a mood enhancer. It's an antiseptic. It detoxifies the body inside and out. It's not recommended for women who breastfeed or women who are pregnant. So this is frankincense. It's a hormone balancer, stress reliever, but it also helps with healing wounds and scars. So like if you have a surgical scar, I have a surgical scar on the abdomen. I rub some of this on the itchy area and it soothes it, and it actually smells, the aroma is good. It has a masculine smell to me. Okay, so that is the frankincense. And I have the patchouli. Patchouli is an Asian medicinal aromatherapy they've been using for years. They've been using it for years. It's safety in a carrier. You have to use carrier oil when you use a topical for their 100% essential oil. And again, not recommended for women who breastfeed and women who are childbearing, who are pregnant. But this helps with cellulite. And it also helps as a bug repellent. That's the patchouli. It's a natural bug repellent. It helps with chapped or chafed skin. It helps with dandruff. It helps with skin irritation. It also helps with acne and eczema. A variety of scars. So if you're someone who easily scars, you should rub this on you. Again, it's on-the-go balm. Their on-the-go balms at Barefut Oil retail from about $4.99, and they always have sales to about $16.99. You can't beat it. It's long lasting. All of their essential oils that are packaged in a balm, and they also sell lip gloss that are packaged in a balm, has coconut oil and beeswax to process it, and they last a long time. Okay, so again, patchouli and frankincense oil. I need you to like, comment, and subscribe, people. Let me know how I'm doing. I will put the links below before the Barefut patchouli balm and the frankincense balm. Okay, good for scarring, good for dandruff. Detox the body is the frankincense, and the patchouli oil is a bug repellent, so you can't beat that. Recommend that you just rub a little bit on your neck, okay, or also or wherever your scar area. If you want to take it, you want to go to smell it for the aromatherapy, because frankincense is a natural mood enhancer. It helps keep you calm, ladies. It helps balance your hormones. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. I will leave the links below, and every time you order for Barefut oils, they usually give you a free balm or a free oil. These two were free from me. And also you earn points towards your next order. Healthy alternatives for healthier and better you this year.